62 missiles launched. 50 got through. America spent $400,000 each trying to stop them. Iran's missile, 150-50. Iran won 80% of the time.
In 96 hours, Iran destroyed 7 advanced American and Israeli radar systems across the Middle East.
Mach 15, 31 war zones, Pentagon confession, America blind, India LNG crisis.
Subscribe right now and turn on notifications. In 48 hours, we are publishing the munitions crisis video.
It changes direction mid-flight. No computer predicts it. That is why 80% got through.
Missiles existed since 1944. Nothing prepared America for what Iran built in 2023.
The THAAD has a range of 1,400 kilometers. That means it can be launched from deep inside Iran.
Boost phase, separation, glide, Mach 15. Then it starts maneuvering. No interceptor can follow.
THAAD built for Mach 8. Iran built Mach 15. THAAD was obsolete before it fired.
Iran did not improvise this strategy. March 5th, True Promise 4, 62 missiles, Israeli Defense Ministry, Ben Gurion Airport, all hit. March 5th, True Promise 4, 62 missiles.
Iran spent $9 million and neutralized $500 million in American defense infrastructure. Cheap drones saturate radar. Hypersonic missiles follow through the gaps. 2 weapons. 1 unstoppable strategy.
The combination of Operation Epic Fury and True Promise 4 caused LNGs to...
Munitions crisis in 48 hours. America runs out of weapons. Subscribe now or miss it.
Jordan, AN/TPY-2 THAAD radar, $500 million, 7 years deployed, destroyed in under a minute.
TPY-2 targeted radar, 7 years deployed. Qatar. Let me show you the scoreboard.
The United States operates only 8 THAAD batteries total on planet Earth. Only 3 remain in the Gulf region.
The 3 remaining THAAD batteries in the Gulf create protection circles shown in green on this map. The red zones are
The 3 remaining THAAD batteries in the Gulf create protection circles shown in green on this map. The red zones are
The base currently outside all THAAD coverage in the Gulf, Udeid Air Base in Qatar, home to 10,000 American military personnel. Fallback option, Patriot PAC-3. Problem, 60% effective against hypersonic. THAAD was 95%. Big gap.
At Mach 15, plasma forms around the missile, invisible to X-band radar. Just physics.
Final score, Iran, $9 million. America, $7.5 billion. Ratio 833-1. War just started.
Still coming. Pentagon confession Congress is burying. And 31 zones make war unwinnable.
America's strategy since 1991, myth. Kill the leader, army collapses. Iran built the answer. Iran's certificate decapitation strategy is called Mosaic defense.
Local commander can launch strikes without Tehran, without Mojtaba, without any order from above.
America kills Mojtaba. Then what? 31 zones activate automatically. The war gets bigger, not smaller.
Each of the 31 zones contains pre-positioned underground weapons caches with ballistic missiles, drone swarms. Each zone, missiles, drones, fuel, communications.
Underground, self-sufficient for months.
The deepest strategic irony.
What does winning mean against 31 autonomous zones? America has no answer to this.
Cost to neutralize all 31 zones militarily. More than America's entire annual defense budget. Impossible.
Cost to neutralize all 31 zones militarily exceeds entire U.S. defense budget. Impossible.
Every Gulf dollar is not in Pacific. China watching this calculation very carefully.
Now, the Pentagon confession.
What they told Congress March 1st changes everything.
March 1st, 2026, Pentagon to Congress. Under oath. No evidence Iran planned first strike. American constitutional and legal framework for initiating offensive military operations requires evidence of an imminent threat to American forces or allies.
No evidence. $4 billion spent.
3 U.S. soldiers killed. Democrats calling it war of choice.
In 1964, the Gulf of Tonkin incident was used as the pretext for full. The Pentagon admitted they were wrong.
White House said imminent threat. Pentagon said no evidence. Both cannot be true.
The Pentagon's admission to Congress that no evidence existed for Iran planning to strike first was reported by The Hindu, Hum English.
No justification means no easy exit.
Whatever the legal and constitutional implications, ordinary Americans are already paying the price for a
2003 Iraq WMD, no evidence. 2026 Iran first strike, no evidence. American credibility damaged.
3 questions Congress must now answer. Legal basis. Who authorized false claims? Accountability for deaths.
March 10. Defense Secretary says most intense strikes yet. Harder to admit wrong now.
Pentagon said no evidence. $4 billion spent. 3 soldiers dead. One fact does not belong.
America faced 3 choices. All bad. Here is exactly what each one leads to.
Path 1. Continue strikes. Weapons run out 60 days. 833-1 ratio bleeds America dry.
Path 3. Strategic drawdown. Iran's leadership and the 31 zone commanders all claim this.
All 3 paths share one outcome. Iran's nuclear program continues. 3 sites still running.
Third clock running. Munitions.
60 days. America runs out of precision weapons.
Operation Epic Fury was supposed to stop nuclear program. It accelerated it. 72-hour window to change the trajectory. After that, all paths get worse faster.
Most Americans do not know that the Pentagon told Congress there was no evidence, nor about the 31 autonomous.
Final question. Is American democracy capable of making strategic decisions against a patient strategic opponent? Iran didn't outgun America. Iran outdesigned America. That is a different kind of defeat entirely.
5 facts. 80% penetration.
If you learned something mainstream media hides, hit like. Help others find this.
48 hours. Munitions crisis. America running out of weapons. Nobody covering this. We will. Subscribe and turn on all notifications for nuclear test alert coverage the moment it breaks. India's oil crisis day 30 update.
America spent $7.5 billion. Iran spent $9 million. Who is winning this war? 2 words only in the comments.
Share this video with one person right now. If you know anyone with family in India who does not know about the 45-day oil crisis, share this.
Assembly secrets, real analysis, stories mainstream media won't cover. Subscribe.
Iran has clearly outdesigned the strategy here. America's structural disadvantages are profound. There is no obvious winning move.
Transparency note for all viewers. This video uses AI-generated visuals and a synthetic anchor named Alex Carter for educational presentation purposes.
3 clocks still running. We cover every tick. Assembly secrets. Subscribe. Stay informed.